What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Twitter account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Twitter. Okay, now click on the first thing that pops up. And here you have the option to sign up or log in. We're gonna click on sign up. And good, now we can begin. Select your name. You can either create your account with your phone number or use email instead. I'm gonna use email, so I'm gonna click on that. And now you guys have to fill in your email. Good, now select your birthday. And click next. Okay. Click next if you know, don't want any of these. If you do, select the boxes and you're good to go. Click next. Okay. Then click sign up. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you a verification code on your email, if you see here. All you guys have to do now is go on your email, look at the verification code, then put it in here, click next, and your account will be automatically created. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.